Right, everyone, this is PSLE Booklet 1, Basic Item Questions, Exercise 3, page 5. Let's take a look at the questions for today. 4 questions here. And let's recall some of the methods that we have been revising for each segment here. The first one's on whole numbers, numerals. Here, 507,020. 507,020 in numerals, so not a decimal number here. So I can write in my space, comma, space, 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 comma, space, space, space. Millions, millions, 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. 507,000. So 507,020. Okay, so it's 500,000, 507,000, 7,020. Okay, so that's the first one. Question number 1. Question number 2. Express 7 3/4 as a decimal, so you have a whole number portion, decimal portion, 3/4. So previously, we've discussed about some of the common fractions for conversions into decimals for memorizing. Okay, so like half, a quarter, a fifth, and an eighth. So these are some of the unit fractions that you can memorize for quick recall and conversion to decimals very quickly. So these are the common ones. It will help you to be able to and come up with equivalent fractions as well as mixed numbers like this answers very quickly. So like a quarter is 0.25, so 3/4 is 0.75. So 7 3/4 makes 7.75. Okay, so once you remember your unit fraction like this, it's easier to remember the equivalence. So it's like this is 0.5 for half, and then 3/4 is 0.75, and then you have a whole, that's 1.0, and then like for example 1/5 is 0.2. A half, I always say you can recall it like a half of a dollar is a 50 cent. So that's like easy. Because of that, you can come up with the other fractions very easily. Okay, so do put in some effort to memorize these common fractions and decimals. Okay, question number 3. We have arranging the following fractions from the smallest to the largest, starting from the smallest to the largest. You have 5/4, 1 1/7, 10 ninths. You can see that you can convert them into all from improper fraction to proper fractions, mixed number I mean. So 5/4 is 1 1/4, 1 1/7 is, and then 10 ninths is 1 1/9. So looking at the whole number parts, they're all identical. You can look at the size of the unit fraction. So 1/9 should be the smallest, which makes 10 ninths as the smallest fraction, followed by 1 1/7, and the largest fraction is 1 1/4, which is original fraction is 5/4. Okay, so that's question 3. The last question for the day, page 5, exercise 3, booklet 1, PSLE questions. We are looking at question number 4. The graph below shows the number of printers sold by a shop from January to April. how many printers did the shop sell in April? So we're looking at this one here particularly. Let's check. We have 0 to 20. That I always say the clue is to remember count the spaces, not the lines. The spaces means the divisions. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spaces here, or 5 divisions, represents the quantity of 20. So 1 space, that's 4. So here up to this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 spaces. So 4 spaces will mean 4 times 4, that's 16. And then because this is 40, so 40 plus 16, that makes 56. So it's 56 printers were sold by the shop in April. Okay, so here are the answers from exercise 3, page 5, booklet 1, PSLE booklet.